All right, so to find out how many bricks I should buy for this patio project, we're gonna start by multiplying, okay? If you look at the problem, it's telling us right here, 13 and 5/10 feet times 29. That's gonna tell us how big the area is, or the space inside my patio, okay? So I've started by doing traditional multiplication. So I did 13 and 5/10 times 29. Here's my first row of multiplying by 9. And then I crossed out the 9 when I was all done and put a placeholder before I started multiplying by the 2, because the 2 was really 10 times bigger. Okay. At the end, I know to put the decimal point between the 1 and the 5 because I was multiplying tenths times a whole number. So when I have tenths times a whole number, my answer has to have tenths in it. So the area of the space is 291 and 5/10 feet squared. It's squared because to find the area, we multiply two numbers together. All right, below it, if you still like to do the area model for your multiplication, that's what I've done. Okay, so area model is where you take the factors and break it apart into expanded form, so each digit's value. So 13 and 5/10 looks like 10, 3, and 5/10. 29 becomes 20 and 9. So I went through and multiplied 20 times each of the numbers across the top, and then the same with 9. When I'm all done multiplying, I add up the values in each of the boxes. So for my first row, I got 270. For the second row, I got 121 and 5/10. So now I have to add them up. Okay. Remember, when we're adding and subtracting decimals, we have to line up the place values. Multiplying is the only time that we don't worry about lining up decimals. So if you need to, you can add a decimal point and a 0 if you feel like that would help you keep all your place values in order. Here I go. 1, that's 9. Oh, I found a mistake in my other one. Okay, back up here, guys. I forgot 1 plus 2. So that really should be 3. Right over that, 3. Ugh, so much better now. Okay, but my decimal, in addition, it just falls down into the same spot. Remember, it just takes the elevator down, right here. All right, but the question isn't how big is the patio space. It was how many bricks should I buy? The bricks are 1 foot each. Okay. If I have to cover a space that's 391 and 5/10 feet, I need enough bricks even for this little half. Okay, I can't go to the store, the supply store, and ask for half a brick. So I'm going to actually buy one more brick, one more whole brick than what my area is. Okay, so I'm actually going to need 392 bricks for the patio space. Okay, it's okay to have extra, but I don't want to have to go back to the store because I didn't buy enough. Okay, so even though this number 391 and 5/10 is the area of the patio space, I actually need to buy extra bricks so that I have enough to make the space. Okay, so again, we multiplied to find the area. I had a little addition mistake over here, but it's fixed now. Okay, and then in order to have enough materials for the space, I buy that extra half a brick. Good luck.